Hey guys, what's up? It's Will from Blizzard Lighting. It's Memorial Day weekend, it's a beautiful day outside, and I thought it would be a great day to take a little road trip and to answer a question that we get asked a lot. And that question is, how far away will the wiCICLEs work? In case you don't know, the wiCICLE is our wireless DMX dongle, which plugs right into an XLR jack, right into your DMX jack, and works right off the power supplied through the DMX jack on our unplugged fixtures and any other of our other fixtures that say they're wiCICLE enabled. So what we're going to do is I've got a laptop set up here with Eclipse DMX, that's our lighting control software. I've got our Eclipse dongle with a wiCICLE transmitter plugged right into it. And I'm going to pick from one of the RGB effects that's built right into Eclipse. Actually, it's a RGBA effect in this case because we're going to use a Puck Q6A unplugged, which I have strapped securely into my car, which is right behind us right now. So I'm going to start up a RGB effect, and then I'm going to hop in the car and we're going to see how far away we can get and still have the wiCICLE working. Alright, so I can see that the puck is changing colors. I'm going to take the camera and I'm going to stick it on the dashboard here, and then away we go. Alright, I have assumed the position in the car. Safety first always. Here we go. Leaving the parking lot. Out into the street. Still going. Okay, good 800 or 900 feet now. Still going. At the stop sign now. Gonna turn. Still going. Still going. Still going. I'm going away from the shop too. Turning again. Still going. And there we go. Alright, so I'm going to zero the odometer right here. And I'm going to turn around. And then we'll see just how far it went to. Okay, going the other way now. Started at 0 on the trip odometer. Started turning. Here we go. Still going. Here we are, back at headquarters. A third of a mile. There you go. That's pretty good. Hope that answers your questions. Thanks guys, have a great holiday.